Hey y'all, so today we're gonna make us some tuna pasta salad, and let's get over here and get started. So you want to start out by putting a little black pepper in your water, a little salt in there, and you're gonna dump your noodles over in that boiling water. Okay. Now we're gonna drain these noodles. So y'all, now let's get started. We're gonna put in our noodles in here. I ain't gonna put all of these in there. I'm gonna do something else with them tomorrow. And then we're gonna get I'm gonna put some seasoning salt on these. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add in me a can of tuna. In water tuna. I'm gonna season on that tuna. Okay. We're going to add in some eggs. You're going to add in you some onion. See what color? Purple onion. You can use whatever kind you like. And I also added me some green onions too. I added a little bell pepper. And I added me some sweet peas. English peas, I think they call them. And if that one can ain't enough, now you can add just some more tuna in it. That one big, that's a big can. It's probably about 2 cans, 2 or 3 cans. So then I'm gonna add me in that sweet relish. I added that. You're gonna add you in some mayo, a little mustard. We're going to start right there with the mixing. This ain't enough mayonnaise, I know. We need some more mayo. We're going to mix this all the way up good. I need a bigger bowl. Should have got me a bigger one. Should we get this good and mixed up, y'all? Ooh, yeah, I'm going to show it to you. Hold on. That's it. So, y'all, now I'm going to taste it. I forgot something. Forgot the sugar. Hold on. So, we're going to add a little pinch of salt. We're going to add a little bit of sugar. Not much. We're going to mix this in. Then I'm going to come back and taste it. Now, you see this is what I had before. Give me another little spot. This is my old spoon. So y'all don't say I'm double dipping. Let's use a little bit more sugar. Y'all, that's good. Y'all talking about something good. That was good. It was delicious. Okay. Now let me eat it right. Now I'm finna get us some out. Uh-oh. All right, y'all. Don't that look good? Mm. Y'all talking about something good? Mm. Y'all talking about something good? It's Grandma Dime good, y'all. Y'all can try this.